like fish cracker. It's just so good. Can't stop salivating. Oh. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking crispy turmeric fish. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Before we start to season or marinate our fish, we'll need to clean them up first. This fish in Malay, in Singapore, we call it kuning, or actually in English it's known as yellow strip scad. Alright, you can see a yellow strip over here. So it's very different from other fish like kamong. They are all from the same scad family, but this is so much smaller. Okay, I'll be using 1.1 kilogram of this, approximately $7 Sing, somewhere around $5 US. Kind of cheap, right? Cleaning this up is very easy because actually the fishmonger will not clean it for you because these are considered quite cheap fish. Alright, but it's very simple. Let me just show it to you. You just need a pair of scissors. Just open up the gill part like this, over here, like this. Give it a snip in the center here, right? Cut it off like this. Over here, just under the fin, right? Make a somewhere like a 45 degrees angle here. Give it a cut and just pull this out. What I'm just pulling out is the gills as well as the inner organs. We need to clean this out, otherwise it will be very fishy. Of course, after you're done with this, we just need to wash this, rinse this under running water, just to get rid of all the blood. But this is super good, super nice. It's always served with Nasi Lemak or our coconut rice. If you see any remaining gills like this, just snip it off. Alright? Later we just need to wash this out until it's really clean, okay? So I'll continue with the second one over here. I've washed all my fish. Now the fish I'm using is 1.1 kilogram. So somewhere around 1 kilogram to 1.1 kilogram. And make sure that you wash it very cleanly like this, okay? Something like this will be good. And I make slits like this so that the marinade can get into the fish and it's crispier this way also. Now of course, if you want your fish to be juicier, don't make any slit, okay? Seasoning very simple. Pepper. A few dashes of white pepper will be good. Add in 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. About 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay. Also add in about 3 tablespoons of plain flour. This is to give the fish a very nice crispy kind of texture. Now for this, I recommend wearing gloves unless you want to have yellow fingernails. Okay, then just mix them up. Gently just mix them up. Now if it's a little bit dry, you can add in a little bit of water. You can just add in about 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. And then just mix them up really well. Okay. Once this is done, we'll leave them to sit in the marinade for approximately 10 minutes before we go and fry them. And I'll show you the next step in a while. Now we're going to shallow fry our kuning. Make sure that you heat up your oil at medium heat. Make sure it's hot enough. How do we know? Just use a bamboo skewer, put it inside the oil. And when you see bubbles rising up rapidly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. Okay? Now just place them in one by one like this. This is going to be so good. Don't overcrowd them. Because of the amount of fish that we have, I might have to fry them for a few rounds. Don't move them around, just let them fry until the crust is crispy. This is what we want. As the fish is quite small and quite thin, this will take approximately between 2 to 3 minutes. But this will be so good. Now of course, if you like it crispier, you can fry for a longer period of time until it's a little bit dry out. But be careful not to burn them. We'll fry them on one side for about a minute or so before we turn it to the other side. I've been frying this for about a minute or so. Let's just give this a check. Right, this is something that we want, beautifully brown. So we just need to turn it to the other side now. Smells so nice actually. I love this fish. Some of you might be wondering whether the oil can be reused. Because we coated the fish with turmeric powder, the oil is going to be yellowish in color. You can keep the oil if you are making turmeric chicken wings, but other than that, I don't suggest you using back the oil again. I'll continue to cook this and I'll show you how they look like in a while. Now I'm turning it to the other side because I want to crisp this up further. I can feel that they are actually hardening already. Now they are actually already cooked. If you like a juicier fish, this is the time to take them out. Once you feel that it has hardened up, that means the fish is done already. Okay, but I want it a little crispier, so I'm just going to fry this a little while longer. This will be so good. Okay, the fish is very crispy right now, as you can see, right? Okay, it's very crispy now. We can just remove this from the oil and continue with the next batch. Remember, do not turn off the heat, right? Otherwise, the oil might be lodged inside the fish. We'll continue to fry the rest of our fish, and after that, it will be time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really good. Want to hear how crispy this is? Now, normally for this, right, I would like to eat the head also, so I just crunch it to the head. Like fish cracker is just so good. Can't stop salivating. Oh. The turmeric powder really elevates the dish. Seasoning just nice, not too salty, crispy on the outside and tender inside. A little bit juicy. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, crispy.